In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money on Phantom Wallet with the latest updates. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency might seem daunting at first, but with a clear understanding of the steps involved, it can become a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to log into your Coinbase account. Coinbase is an incredible platform known for its user-friendly interface and security features, making it an ideal choice for converting and withdrawing your crypto assets. Open your web browser and head over to the Coinbase website. If you don't already have it bookmarked for easy access, you can simply type coinbase.com into the search bar. Once you've arrived on the home page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're doing this for the first time on a new device, you might be asked to verify your login attempt through a secondary method like email or SMS. This is an added security measure to ensure your account is kept safe, so keep an eye out for any verification messages. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get your deposit address from Coinbase. This is a unique address you'll use to transfer your crypto assets from your Phantom wallet to your Coinbase account. To do this, navigate to the Assets tab within Coinbase. Choose the specific crypto you intend to transfer. You'll then see an option to receive or deposit funds. Select it, and your deposit address will be displayed. Like an email address, this deposit address is specific to your wallet and crypto type, so be sure to copy the right one. With it safely copied, switch over to your Phantom wallet. Once you're logged in there, identify the token or cryptocurrency you plan to transfer. Select the Send option and paste your Coinbase deposit address into the provided field. It's a good idea to double check the address before finalizing the transfer to ensure there are no mistakes. Once confirmed, complete the transfer. Now let's focus on converting your transferred crypto to fiat money. Back in Coinbase, watch for a notification that your deposit has been successfully received. Go to your asset list and select the crypto to convert it into fiat. This will typically be found under trade options with phrases like sell crypto or convert to fiat. Complete the transaction by specifying how much crypto you want to convert. The platform will show you how much fiat currency you'll receive in return. The final step involves withdrawing these funds to your bank account. Navigate to the portfolio section on Coinbase, find your fiat wallet, and opt to withdraw funds. You may need to link your bank account if you haven't already. Ensure the banking details are correct to avoid delays. After confirming everything, submit the withdrawal request. The time it takes for funds to appear in your bank account can vary, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your funds from Phantom Wallet using Coinbase. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in managing your digital assets.